I am going to show you how to check Wi-Fi passwords on laptop. Go to your preferred browser on Google, search for PassFab. Enter the first website, and then on products, find Wi-Fi key PassFab. Click free download and wait for the download process to end it and install that software. After that, click run and then wait for the installation process to end and launch the application you just installed. After that, launch the applications and you will see your saved Wi-Fi password. Just select the one you want to see the password for and then click on export so you can see the password of that Wi-Fi. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.